So I'm kind of back and I'm not exactly sure what kind of content I should be making. So that's why I'm making this video. Ever since the end of last year, I had an idea that I wanted to create a tool for people that are making motion graphics within Fusion. I didn't know what was all going to entail making this tool, so it's taking me a bit longer than I would have liked. I'm still in the process of creating it. Once it's created, I'm going to show you guys, and then I'll obviously have it out. Hopefully that comes soon. I think we're week 3 now of January, and I haven't made any content for the channel. And I was thinking about different content I should be creating and where I should actually go, and I was kind of confused. I have a Facebook group that people ask questions, and one thing that I noticed in there is that people are asking questions for the full spectrum of post-production. You know, people that are just getting in that want to know how to edit picture-in-picture, to people that are doing some in-depth stuff within Fusion and some on the audio and stuff like that. So I wasn't exactly sure where my community that is actively watching me wants content, based around. Last year I did some stuff where I would ask the community, hey, give me some ideas, and they would say, hey, recreate this from this movie, and then we would grab that little clip, we'll look at it, see all the different characteristics, what they've added in to the scene, and then I would go into Fusion and I would show how to create those little details to kind of recreate whatever that scene was in that shot that we were initially looking at. I also did community questions where, you guys would just give me a bunch of questions and I would kind of go through them. Last year, I talked about some hardware stuff. I've talked about different things on the edit page. I talked briefly some things on the cut page, but my main focus last year was on the Fusion page within DaVinci Resolve. And I also did a little bit on the color. 2 years ago, I did a lot more in the color tab. So I wasn't exactly sure what you guys would want to see with a community that is actively watching me now. I just want to know what you guys would like to see, where you see that there is currently a gap in knowledge online. If you're struggling with a particular subject that you would like more guidance on, I would like to know that, and it would give me a better idea of where my community currently is. Or maybe you like the content that I was doing with my storage or hardware and how I was doing different things outside of the program, or when I showed how to take that camera and make a whole commercial. So we set up a whole scene, we created some products, we put them in the scene, we then filmed a bunch. Maybe you want to know that whole process and what that's like. So let me know, and down in the description I have a form that we can go through. You can just fill in some information there. I'd really like to hear what kind of stuff that you would like to see going into this next year, and I hope that I have this product that I've been working on done in the next week or two. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the beginning of 2020. Hopefully I can create content, as steadily as I was last year. I just really like to get done with this project that I'm currently working on so that I can, do 110% into the stuff that I was, previously doing. So like I said, down in the description, let me know. And that's kind of all I got for you for today. And with that being said, my name's Shiar. Thanks for watching, guys.